Namaste and welcome. In today's session, we practice stilling the fluctuations of our mind. Please find a comfortable resting position, either sitting tall or lying down. Gently close your eyes and land in the natural, unforced rhythm of your breath. In the very beginning of the Yoga Sutras, the sage Patanjali gives us the ultimate definition of yoga. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means yoga is the stilling of the fluctuations of your mind. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your physical body beginning to settle. Like mud sinking to the bottom of a clear pond. Research shows that focused visualization helps synchronize the brain's hemispheres. When we imagine a vast, still body of water, our respiratory system naturally begins to follow that stillness. By consciously calming the ripples of your thoughts, you are guiding your brain to shift from high alert beta waves to the deeply restorative alpha and theta waves, the place where true healing and insight happens. Imagine your mind is a vast, ancient mountain lake. The water in this lake is your chitta, your mind. Right now, perhaps the surface is choppy. Maybe there are messy ripples in the water. These ripples are your Vrittis, the thoughts, memories, and worries of your day. Because of these ripples, you cannot see the depths of the water. As you breathe, imagine the wind around the lake dying down. The air becomes perfectly still. The ripples on your mind grow smaller and smaller. The water is becoming flat. The mud is settling. The water is becoming heavy and transparent. It turns into a perfect mirror, reflecting the quiet sky above in all its majesty. Now, because the surface is still, you can see all the way to the bottom. You can see the golden sand of your true self. You can see your soul or the Atma. You are not the ripples. You are the deep, quiet water underneath the ripples. If a new thought creates a ripple, it could be a sound, a memory, or a to-do list. Do not fight it. Do not try to stop the water. Simply watch the ripple move to the edge and fade away. Don't react and just let the water return to its natural glass-like state. You are resting in the clarity of your own thoughts. There is no wind here to disturb the lake of your mind. Notice how the body feels when the mind is still. The heartbeat is slow. The skin is cool. Keep this internal clarity as you bring back subtle movements into your fingers and your toes. As you open your eyes and get ready to step back into the world, remember that the ripples, your thoughts, are only on the surface. Deep down, you remain this clear, pure mountain water. You have found the silence. Take one more deep, clear breath into the depths of your lungs. And with a long exhale, open your eyes whenever you feel ready. Until next time, Namaste. If you like this session, check out our other videos and share this one with someone else who might benefit from this practice. Please subscribe to join us for weekly classes on YouTube and also join us on our socials for daily tips. Thank you.